What is Amazon FBA? Guide to a Fulfillment by Amazon business. The Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) business model continues to grow in popularity, and for good reason. But, instead of your having to fulfill orders one by one, Amazon stores your products for you and even picks, packs, and ships them out to customers. Related, Fulfillment by Amazon poses a great option for those looking to break into e-commerce. This makes it a lot easier for you to build your business without having to worry about the logistics of warehouses, packaging materials, couriers, and so on. With private labeling, you also have the opportunity to build your own brand and website, thereby increasing the value of your business. Here's our basic guide for starting an Amazon FBA business. The Amazon Fulfillment business model allows you to leverage Amazon's robust distribution network and customer base. As noted, Amazon will warehouse your products, fulfill orders, and even provide customer service, so you don't have to be hands-on with every aspect of the business. In a typical e-commerce business, you have to figure out the logistics of sending products to your customers in a timely manner. However, with FBA, Amazon Prime members get most orders shipped to their door within 2 to 5 days. Another common challenge with an e-commerce store is that inventorying and additional product listing can increase the complexity of your business. With FBA, all you need to do is ship the products to an Amazon warehouse, and the company will take over from there. First things first, in order to get your FBA business up and running, you're going to need to create an Amazon seller account. Related, the pros and cons of buying a Fulfillment by Amazon business. Other than that, the sign-up process is relatively straightforward. As for additional Amazon FBA fees, the fulfillment fee may vary depending on the weight and dimensions of your product. Plus, Amazon FBA sellers are charged a storage fee monthly based on the total space your inventory storage occupies in an Amazon fulfillment center. For the shipping cost, it depends on your shipping plan. If you choose to be an Amazon FBA seller, or choose to act as a third-party seller handling order fulfillment on your own. If you choose not to use Amazon's warehouse, your Prime customers could still receive the benefits of Prime through seller-fulfilled Prime. Businesses could also use Amazon FBM, or Merchant Fulfilled Network, where the seller can list products on Amazon Marketplace, but manage all other dealings independently, all while still utilizing the Amazon platform. To help you pick the best option, potential sellers can use the Amazon Revenue Calculator, which will give you real-time cost comparisons and estimates. Uncover product opportunities and establish your private label. There are a number of different ways to leverage the FBA model, but the most popular way is private labeling. The idea is to establish a brand or a label, apply it to your product, and sell it on Amazon. First, you will need to do your Amazon product research. This is a much easier way of making money on Amazon, at least in the short term. Ordering private label products may cost you several $1,000s, but if you're looking to build an asset that can later be sold, then this is the direction you want to go in. You can't make money if you don't have products in stock, so you need to ensure that the time delay between the placement and delivery of the order is as short as it can possibly be. This is also a key factor when the time comes to sell your business. As you continue to expand your private label product offerings, you'll want to build a professional, dedicated site for your business. This gives you another way to market your products, and can also make your business attractive to potential buyers. As you continue to expand your private label product offerings, you'll want to build a professional, dedicated site for your business. This gives you another way to market your products, and can also make your business attractive to potential buyers. Refer customers to your products from your own site, and start earning commissions. How much do FBA business owners earn? What is the earning potential of an FBA business? Spencer Hawes from Niche Pursuits reports he was able to make nearly $40,000 within 30 days of starting his FBA business. These results aren't necessarily typical, but they do show that it is possible to build a 5, 6 or even 7-figure business by leveraging the